When we talk about preserving our linguistic and cultural heritage, it begins with writing it down, putting it together, whether you write it with ink or you digitalize it. That is a way of preservation. But in the modern era, we are looking at beyond the book. We are looking at beyond the ink. And that is why we created Omenka App. We are looking at the preservation method that will live after us. We are looking at the preservation method that would not just be erected at a place that is not going to be accessible or easily accessible by all Igbo sons and daughters. Omenka App is available in your phone. The mobile phone is one of the things that we hold every day, almost every hour, almost every minute. When we wake up, we have our mobile phone, we check it, and our concept, our ideology is, if our cultural identity deserves to be preserved, it also deserves to be dispersed amongst people who are Igbo and who need the knowledge. And that is also why we are promoting the preservation efforts, that not just we who have been trained to do this. This is also something that every Igbo son and daughter is supposed to be serious with. Take, for instance, some of the recreational activities that you played in school. If you're an adult above 30 this time around, take your thought back to those recreational activities that are no longer happening in schools today. Ask yourself, all those funds that you had while in school, playing Oga, playing swell, having those recreational activities. If you are now a parent living outside of Igboland, living overseas, how can your children, how can they understand when you are sharing those experiences with them? How can they even experience those? That is the challenge. It is almost impossible. But we are recreating those experiences so that even our children can have a bunch of our own experiences, that are cultural experiences. And this is not an easy job, and it requires the input of all and sundry for all to be part of this. We ask you, help us to preserve Igbo language and culture heritage. Help us to preserve our identity. Even God will ask you about your identity, what you did with it.